What up now, YouTube? Back in the motherfucking house. Getting it in, man. It's looking nice today, as you can see. Um, it's like 80 degrees. Shit, man. Been 80 degrees last couple days, but it's nice. Um, Getting it in, man, on this engine, whatever you want to call it. See, I got that bad boy hanging. Finally got the hoist from my neighbor, man. After about 2, 3 goddamn weeks, man. Finally got it. I'm gonna buy my own, man, any damn way. But, man. But as you can see, buddy, it's on up out of here. Just wanted to give y'all boys a quick little view, man, what I was doing today. And I also loosened this up. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of flimsy. As you can see, I got all the bolts out, man, and everything. Got this bad boy ready to peel on up off of there. Got all the bottom out. I lost my goddamn 11 millimeter 10 millimeter long socket. These short is long socket because I need to get up in them fender bolts, man. And I lost the damn 11 millimeter, so I'm about to hit Harbor Freight. Hopefully I can buy me another 11 millimeter. I hate to buy another set because I got a set of like this that's long, so I hate to buy another set for one socket, but gotta do what you gotta do. But man, I just want to give y'all a quick little update, man, what I was doing today. And I can't let too many of these days pass, you know what I'm saying? But shout out to everybody, man. Go ahead and get it in springtime now, fellas. So let's go ahead and ride on out. But all right now, YouTube.